This is the first time ever that Sprinter has done a full body paint, and it is gorgeous. This is the 3530 Den model, and it's got all the goodies. So let's take a walk inside and check it out. As you can see, with all this space in this kitchen, we use all residential appliances, solid surface countertop, even to include this massive refrigerator and full pantry. So it gives you all the amenities of home with motion sensor lights. Plus, check out this table. It's a farmhouse style, but it's actually a naturally grained wood with cool edges. Very decorative, just reminds you like home. So after you explore the huge kitchen in this 3630 Sprinter, welcome to the den. Okay, check this out. 2 full sofas, so you've got plenty of room if you have guests coming, because both these make into full-size beds, in addition to having the theater seats and this huge entertainment center that still has plenty of storage. So after exploring this big den and that huge kitchen, let's take a look and see what's upstairs in the bedroom. Y'all ready? So coming up here, probably one of the coolest features is this massive vanity we have in the bedroom. Definitely a his and her coach, or again, if you've got guests, there's plenty of room for everyone, plus the large shower. So in this 3530 luxurious coach, the bedroom still has the king size bed, massive amount of storage room in the closet, and probably one of the neatest features is full washer and dryer. And by the way, that's from the factory. Most units only come with the stackable, where here you can do everything. Hey folks, I hope you enjoyed your tour of the 3530 Sprinter model as much as I did. Of course, I'd love to see you this weekend here at the Florida RV Super Show in Tampa, Florida. Or if you need more information, feel free to go to our website, KeystoneRV.com. Thanks so much.